Ware-Washing machine maintenance. In the previous lessons, we have learned how much a ware-washing machine has to work every day, and how much we rely on it functioning effectively. In this lesson, we will be going over why maintenance is important, and how to maintain a ware-washing machine. First off, let's look at why maintenance is important. Maintenance is one of the most important factors in an establishment. Without it, your washing machine may break, and then it will be far more effort to wash all the tableware and kitchenware by hand, not to mention the expense of buying a new machine. Machine maintenance must be organized according to a schedule so that it can never be overlooked or forgotten, ensuring that your equipment and machinery lasts as long as possible. Now let's look in more detail at how to maintain a ware-washing machine. Maintenance standard operating procedures for ware-washing machines must be set in place so that maintenance is recorded and carried out daily. To best keep track of the ware-washing machine's effectiveness, temperature recording must take place once in the morning, afternoon, and night. Be sure to record the wash cycle and the final rinse temperatures. This can be done on a record sheet kept close to the machine and must happen 3 times a day. Descaling is a process of removing buildup caused from chemical solutions and minerals found in water. It must happen after the rush of plates and equipment from breakfast, lunch, and dinner service. Descaling should not be done during the busiest periods because it takes some time to complete. To descale the ware-washing machine, follow these steps. Step 1. Turn off the automatic chemical dispenser. Step 2. Drain the tank. Step 3. Refill the tank with fresh water. Wait until the light changes to indicate it is ready. Step 4. Add 10 to 15 milliliters of Diversey D5.2 descaler per liter of water. Step 5. Run the machine for a 30-minute cycle. Step 6. Drain the descaling solution from the machine. Step 7. Remove any loose parts from the machine and wash them by hand with detergent. Step 8. Spray the inside of the machine with fresh water. Step 9. Use soapy water and a clean sponge to wash the inside of the machine and jet arms. And Step 10. Spray the inside of the machine again with fresh water to remove any soapy residue. Let's do a quick recap of descaling. Step 1. Turn off. Step 2. Drain. Step 3. Refill. Step 4. Descaler. Step 5. Machine cycle. Step 6. Drain. Step 7. Wash. Step 8. Spray. Step 9. Wash. And Step 10. Rinse. The machine is now ready for use. Here are some more tips to look after the ware-washing machine. Never overfill the ware-washing machine. Always rinse the items before placing them in the machine to prevent the filter from blocking. Wash crockery, cutlery, and glassware separately to avoid breakages that would end up damaging the machine. Check that all the seals are leak-free and clean. Make sure that the machine has been put together securely. If you detect a leak, contact the engineering or maintenance department immediately. A leak could be dangerous for the machine and cause slips and trips for colleagues. When it comes to maintenance, it is important to be proactive rather than reactive. This means that you should try to maintain a standard to prevent something bad from happening, rather than trying to fix a big problem once it has already happened. Well done at becoming a ware-washing machine maintenance professional.